Number 5 is LOTMAXX Shark V3 3D printer. In today's competitive world, where imagination knows no bounds, the LOTMAXX Shark V3 3D printer emerges as the shining star, bringing your wildest creations to life. This marvel of technology is your gateway to a world of limitless possibilities, especially when crafting small objects that pack a punch. Prepare to be amazed as the Shark V3 effortlessly combines the power of gravity-sensing conduction leveling with ultra-precise software optimization. Say goodbye to wonky prints and hello to perfection. With its modular design, this printer embraces the art of 3D printing and dazzles with its laser engraving capabilities. But that's not all. As you embark on your creative journey, the Shark V3 keeps excellent thanks to its ultra-fast cooling system. Dual color printing? Yes, please! With a simple filament switch, watch in awe as your small wonders come to life in a dazzling array of hues. In just 10 minutes, you'll be ready to dive into a world where small objects hold immense power. And let's not forget the blissful silence accompanying your printing endeavors, courtesy of the German-made ultra-silent TMC 2208 stepper drives. It's a symphony of precision and tranquility. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for small objects. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our sublimation focused channel for more amazing upcoming videos.